So the good old reliable Mini had to jump start the Fiat. The Fiat is out there because something is getting delivered and it's going to fill all of this space. But I do have to move the bumpers. They need to really go. When I get the skip eventually, same as the box, all of that will be going in the bin. So I'm just going to move all that now and get the delivery. So that's it, all done, ready for delivery. So just have to wait for it to come now. But here, look at that. So pretty. So that's it guys, 28 lengths of 40 by 40, 25 foot length box section. That's gonna be the basic structure of the garage, and then obviously I'm gonna get some corrugated sheet metal, galvanized stuff. It's gonna be expensive, but I've priced garages and I've priced getting them done by companies, and you're looking over 10 grand for the size that I want to do. So yeah, that's it delivered. I'm happy. I'm gonna go get myself a coffee now because it's much needed, because it's stupid early o'clock. The seagulls are singing. It's time to go. So I'm just heading into B&Q with the Monster to get angle grinders. Now just picked up a square. Got myself a float for the concrete when we're eventually doing it. 2 angle grinders, one for the flap discs I got and one for the cutting discs I got, and we got some good reliable vice grips, quality stuff. So yeah, getting there with the gear that we need for the garage. New wheels on the MR2. Lovely, they really suit the car. Oh, the spoiler's on as well. Turbo spoiler and exhaust. Nice, looking good. So guys, just a few bits I grabbed just to get ready for cutting the steel and welding the steel. Obviously I got 2 angle grinders here, one for cutting discs and then one for the new flap discs that I got, just to save changing over. Like, you want to have the proper tools. Like, these angle grinders are brilliant. I've had one before and I had it for 2 or 3 years without fault. So I just got 2 new ones, one's for cutting, one for grinding. You can just go from one to the other without changing, without messing. Also got this float for just flattening out the concrete when I'm doing it. I don't know what way I'm going to do it, whether I'm going to just get it poured or I'm going to mix it myself. And then obviously this square for angles on the metal for when I'm doing the gussets and stuff, just to hold it all together. Obviously measuring straight as well, cutting straight, that I don't have any wonky bars. That's some of the bits and pieces that I just needed to get, just to pick up, just to have for what we are doing. So the metal is in the garden. I'm just waiting on a digger to come. So the digger will be here Monday. It's now Thursday, so I won't have an update until the digger gets here. But I'm going to leave it at that for now. It was only a little short video just to show you what has come and what is yet to come. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel, following on all the Instagram and the Facebook, because I post there before I put a big video up on YouTube. I'm going to be doing short videos from now on. I'm going to be doing like 5-6 minute videos. There's no point in doing 20-minute videos because it's just a garage build. I'm going to do shorter videos and more of them. Maybe 1 or 2 uploads a week about the garage. Yeah guys, I really do appreciate anyone who is following along on the journey. This is all for the channel. I'm building my own garage so I don't have to pay stupid rents anymore. I have it next door to the house, handy for doing stuff. And I will be doing the next build, definitely will be a drift car. Don't know what engine. If you have any suggestions of what engine to put in a drift car for a beginner, it's going to be something rear wheel drive, obviously. Maybe BMW, obviously, because they're cheapish. Not an E36 anyway, because they're like 8 grand. But E46, strip it, nice diff, angle kit, big engine. Or maybe just a 2-litre engine just to get me started. So I do appreciate anyone who is following, so make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and keep up to date with all the builds, including this garage. So thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one. Peace out. And don't forget, be dedicated.